everyone. Hope everyone's doing well today, Elite Life family. My name is Nico Contardi, CEO and founder of Elite Life, and this week I'll be talking to you guys about life inside the gates of Punta Mita. Probably a lot of our followers have heard about Punta Mita, Mexico. Maybe a lot of you guys have also been there, but I wanted to give you guys a first-hand look on what it's like to be inside of the gates of Punta Mita. So getting to Punta Mita is very easy. There's lots of direct flights from America and other parts of the world directly into Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Once you land in Puerto Vallarta, we will have a driver waiting for you with a sign. They'll take your luggage, load you guys up, and we'll have cold refreshments, typically beer as well as water, to get you guys going. The drive from Puerto Vallarta Airport to the Punta Mita gates is about 45 minutes, give or take, depending on traffic. And on the drive, you can ask your driver all different types of various questions. Most of the drivers that we're going to be offering you come directly from our villas or the hotel, so they'll give you a better understanding of what to expect on your trip. Once you get inside of the gates, you're going to notice that there are multiple guard gates, which makes Punta Mita probably one of the most secure areas in all of Mexico. Every guest that goes to one of our villas or hotels gets registered at the guard gates with your dates, name, etc. So that way you can go in and out if you're renting your own car or want to travel around. Once you get inside the gates, you're going to notice that you're going to see beautiful greenery, palm trees, and beautifully paved streets. And then the driver will take you to your villa. Depending on which development you're in, there are multiple in Punta Mita. The driver will let you know. You guys will take things straight from there. Once you arrive to your villa, you'll be welcomed with a fresh drink of choice. Typically, we like to give clients margaritas, some fresh appetizers, as well as a cold wet towel to really be refreshing. Once you get to that villa, the villa manager and the host will meet and greet you guys. All of the rooms, if not assigned already prior to arrival, will be assigned and you'll get a tour of the villa. On the tour of the villa, the property manager or butler will teach you all of the different things you'll need to know about the villa and how the staff will work. These things typically include service, what time you would like dinner for that evening or lunch that evening. Typically our check-ins are around 3 to 4 p.m. unless early arrival is confirmed. Once you walk through everything, typically our clients will like to take a fresh shower or just put on their board shorts and go for a swim or, go down to the beach to hang out. And once you get freshened up or go for a nice cold swim, what you're gonna notice is that the staff is gonna be a 5-star resort just for you and your family. A lot of our clients who typically book at the St. Regis or the Four Seasons with COVID have been transferring over to private villas. And the thing that we hear every time from all of these clients is that the service is exceptional. All of the staff has been trained, at the highest level standards. This goes for butlers, chefs, sous chef, bartenders, housekeepers, etc. And you could really enjoy and just basically make the home away from home. So while you're at the property for the first night, typically we like to start with a 4 or 5 course dinner, giving clients really the feeling that they are the kings of the house and that this is their house and home away from home. From there, you can continue to have fun, do some drinking. We also have some amazing excursions that can come straight to the villa. This includes private fire dancers, this create a mariachi band, or anything else that you could imagine. We've had DJs go to villas before, and I've personally experienced that multiple times myself. Typically on the first day, the best thing that we like to do is have the first couple of days planned out for the staff. Having the first couple of days planned out for the meals is going to allow the chef to really get to know who you guys are, the palate that you like, and what you can expect. The beautiful thing about having a staff that is highly trained is that they can basically mimic what you're going to be doing. So if every day at 7 a.m. you like a double espresso, you can bet that every day at 7 a.m. your double espresso will be ready, or perhaps you prefer a green juice. So a little bit more now about what actually happens inside of the gates of Punta Mita. Inside the gates of Punta Mita, there are multiple walking trails, running trails. So if you want to go from your villa, go for a run, go for a walk, or perhaps you prefer to take a moki or a golf cart to cruise around and kind of see what the area could offer, that's also great. There are 2 signature Jack Nicklaus golf courses in Punta Mita that are inside of the gates that are absolutely phenomenal. Every one of our clients that goes golfing absolutely loves it and does it multiple times. Or if you prefer a spa day, we can get in-spa treatments, hair, nails, massages, facials, or anything else that you could imagine. Or we could book you at one of the local resorts to get a spa treatment if you prefer that way. The other great stuff that Punta Mita Development offers is beach clubs. So there are 3 different beach clubs that you'll have access to. The great thing about having 3 different beach clubs is the scenery, the view, and the mood changes at each of them. So you can go to all 3 of them in one day, or you can pick 1 beach club per day and hop around. Or what a lot of our clients like to do is kind of test each one each day, figure out which ones they like or which one's going to be the most likely for the next day, and kind of enjoy. At the beach clubs, you could enjoy meals, cocktails, swimming, and going to the beach. Not only do we have the golf, the beach clubs, the walking trails, and the spa services, Punta Mita is also great for exploring. So I've said that, Punta Mita inside of the gates is probably one of the most protected areas in all of Mexico in terms of security perspective. Your driver or your house managers could also take you to different trips. Sayulita, which is a small surfing village about 25 minutes away from Punta Mita, is great for those surfers. Perhaps you enjoy to go on hiking through the jungle, or if you want to take a yacht charter, that's also a great option. A lot of our clients love to go to the Las Marietas Islands, where there is a private beach hidden inside of a cave that has a circle above that has light coming through, which is quite beautiful. It's now a protected national park by the Mexican government, so it stays pristine, clean, and all of our clients really enjoy that. You could scuba dive, you could snorkel, or again, if you prefer just to hang out at the villa and relax and unwind, that's also an option as well. So guys, I'm so excited to be able to share a little bit more information with you guys on Punta Mita, Mexico, and what it has to offer. And if you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask us. My team is always happy to answer any of your questions in regards to the bookings. We'll talk to you guys soon, and thanks again for tuning in.